Hello guys, welcome back to Chair Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix mouse pointer is not working or cursor keeps disappearing on a Windows 11 and how we can completely fix this up. So let's dive into the solution. And if you are for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more such helpful videos. So let's move to this. So the first one is all about you just have to follow the instruction. That is the first one is all about you have to do is number one step is you just have to update the drivers. So to do this you just have to go over here and you just have to click over here. Then you just have to navigate to device manager. From here you just have to go over here on mice and other pointing devices and you have to update your driver. That is what you have to do. After trying this out you have to check, and most probably the issue has to be fixed, and even after trying this, if it's not working, then you just have to follow with one more method. That is all about you have to go over here in the search and you have to do few changes in the control panel. So just go over here and search for control panel. Now click over here. Now from here what you have to do is you just have to click on over here you just have to click on hardware and sound. Now from here you should be having an option. Just have to go over here. You just have to change this to small icon. Now from here in the small icon you will be having an option for mouse. So you just have to click on this one. And now from here you just have to click on pointer option. Now from here, as you can see, there is an option called hide pointer, right? There is an option, so you just have to uncheck it. Okay, once you're done with the uncheck, you just have to go for OK. Then you just have to enable this, close this up, and you have to do a restart and you have to try, and most probably the issue has to be fixed. And this is what it's all about. You have to try out when your mouse pointer or cursor keeps disappearing in Windows 11 and how you can fix this up. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.